Hello students, we are in chapter number 7, percentage. In last class of this chapter, we had completed 7.1 and today we will start exercise 7.2. In this chapter, we will find the percentage of given quantity. So let's begin this chapter. What is our first question? Our first question is find the value of. Number A, 18% of 800. It's exercise number 7.2 and our first question is first A, 18% of 800. 18% means 18 by 100 of into 800. We will cut it. Now 18 into 8, what is our answer? 18, 8 8s are 64, 4, 6 is carrying here, 8 1s are 8 and 6, 144. So this is our answer. Okay, we will take another question. Suppose it's number C, 3 whole 1 by 2% of 1600 kilometer. So first we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Number B, 3 whole 1 by 2% of 1600. 3 2s are 6 and 1, 7 by 2 into 100 into 1600. Okay. 3 whole 1 by 2% means 7 by 2% and 7 by 2% means 7 by 2 into 100. 0 0, 2 8s are 16 and 7 8s are 56. So what is our answer? 56 kilometer is our answer. Okay students. Now we will take another question. Suppose it's number E, 40% of 2310 grams. It's a number E, 40% of 2310 grams. 40% means 40 by 100 into 2310, 0 0 0 0. Now we have to multiply this. 4 1s are 4. 4 is at 12, 2, 1 is carry, 4 2s are 8 and 1, 9. 924 gram. It's G. This is our answer. Okay. In this way, only few are left. Question number A done, C done and E done. B, D and F. Now turn your page. We will take another question of this. This is the question number I, 0.2% of 200 meter. So let's see how we will solve it. It's a question number I, 0.2% of 200. That means 0.2 means 0.2 by 100 into 200 and then we will solve it. 100 2s are 200 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 0.4 is our answer. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 2. What is our question number 2? What percent of 250 is 75? So how we will solve it? Just have a look. It's a question number 2A. 2A. 250 is 75. So we have to find out the percentage. What percent of 250 is 75? So how we will solve? 75 by 250 and 200, 0. We will cut this and 25 3s are 75. Is equal to 30% is our answer. We will take another question. Suppose it's a question number C, 1800 meter is 900 meter. what percent of 1800 meter is 900? 1800 मीटर का कितना परसेंट 900 होगा? Okay, so how we will solve it? This is the question number C. 1800 meter is 900. We will follow the same process. This is 900 by 1800 into 100, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 9 ones are 9, 0, 0, 9 twos are 18, 2 fives are 10, and 0. So what is our answer? It's a 50%. This is our answer. Okay. Now come to the next question. It's a question number 3. What percent is 18 of 900? 900 का कितना परसेंट होगा? 18. Okay. So how we will solve it? This is the question number 3A. 18 of 900. Okay. So what is our, how we will solve it? 18 by 900 into 100, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9 twos are 18. So what is our answer? 2% is our answer. Okay, we will take another question. Suppose it's question number D. 9 months of 12 months. What percent is 9 months of 12 months? 9 month 12 months का कौन सा percentage? ठीक है, so we have to keep it as a numerator and 12 as a denominator, and then we have to multiply it by 100. D. 9 months of 12 months. 9 is our numerator, and 12 is denominator, and then we have to multiply it by 100. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, then 4, 4 2s are 8, and 2 is left here, 4 5s are 20. So what is your answer? 25 3s are 20, sorry, 25 3s are 75. So 75% is our answer. In this way you have to solve all. Now we will take question number 4. What is our question? There are 4,500 students in a school. 30% of the students are girls. That means 30% of 4,500 are girls. Then we have to find the number of girls. Number of girls in percentage are given here, and total strength of students is also given, and we have to find out the number of girls. Okay, it's the question number 4. So how we will solve it? Number of girls is equal to number of girls is equal to 30% of 4,500 are girls. 30% of 4,500 are girls. Okay, so 30% means 30 by 100 of into 4,500, and then we will cut it 0 0 0 0. 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 is carrying, 3 4s are 12, and 1 13, and we have to put 1 0 here. So 1,350 are girls. Number of girls are 1,350. Okay, now we will take another question. Question number 5. Kriti brought 600 kg of apples. 83% of the apples were sold. How many kgs of apples were sold? So total kg of apples are 600, Among 600, 83% are sold, were sold. So you have to find the kg, how many kgs of apples were sold. 600, 83% of 600, and then you have to solve and you will get your answer. Okay. Now these two are easy. We will take another question. It's a question number 8. Rajesh earns 10,000 per month. He spends 83% of his salary per month. So total salary of Rajesh is 10,000 and he spent 83% of his salary. That means 83 of 10,000. So how much money does he spend? First question is how much money does he spend, and the next question is how much does he save. उसने कितना खर्च किया और कितना उसने बचाया वो हमें निकालना है. एंड टोटल amount of salary, total amount is 10,000. So how we will solve it? It's a question number 8. Amount Rajesh spent. So what amount he spent? We have to find out 83% of his salary. That means 83% of 10,000. Okay, now we will solve it. 83% means 83 by 100 into 10,000. 0, 0, 0, 0. So what is amount? Amount Rajesh spent is 8,300. This is our answer. This much money he spent. Now next question is how much does he save? अब सेकेंड पार्ट है उसने कितना बचाया. टोटल सैलरी उसकी 10,000 है. 10,000 में उसने 8,300 खर्च किया. देन हाउ मच डज ही सेव? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. अमाउंट ही सेव्ड. Amount he saved. So total amount is 10,000 and how much money he spent? 8,300. Then what is left? How much he saved? We have to subtract 8,300 from 10,000. 0, 0. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 is left here. 9 minus 8 is 1. That means 1,700 he saved. Okay student, so this chapter is also completed. Just have a look what is your classwork and what is your homework. Few questions are left here. So question number 1, 2 and 3, all these 3 questions are your homework, and question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7 is your classwork. So solve it. If you have any doubt, you can ask.